it's important for your listeners to hear that. If you stick with it and you go the slow and steady and you stick with the lower risk option, which is to stay in the seat, plug away, sharpen your pencil, and just keep going at it year after year after year. And by the way, I'm going to be completely frank. Suck up so much BS along the way, get screwed out of so much income that just gets taken away from you, literally taken away. They have to hear this, because if they're going in, they're going to be disenfranchised if they don't hear someone tell them this. You will get robbed left and right over and over. But if you suck it up and you understand that that's the hazing that the industry puts on you for the first, in some firms for the first 3 years, in some firms for the first 5 years, in some firms for the first 10 years. Mm-hmm. That's just the hazing. You got to figure out each firm's little formula for it. If you stick it out and you get through it and you ultimately persevere, you will steadily make an incredibly, incredibly impressive living, and you will be very comfortable. You'll be far better off financially than most people. And it is the lower risk option. It's just a question of, if you can obviously avoid all the pitfalls of regulations and all that other stuff, don't do anything wrong, never get fired, which is another trick in itself in that industry. You'll do very well. You will.